Hi everybody, it's me, Camila Rose, and I'm back for another budget video. This time we're going to be stuffing cash stuffing our stinking fun. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love through budgeting and other things soon to come, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you all in just a little bit. Alrighty, so we are back. Now, I have not decided if I'm going to split this into two videos. It depends on how long this one gets while I do this cash stuffing. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, we're going to start off with parents' anniversary. We have what should have been $20. They get 3. And now we're up to 23 for them. I did go ahead and get some ones. I was kind of a little hesitant to get ones because I was like, oh, I feel like I have so many of them, and like my little purse is getting really thick, so I'll probably need to do like a exchange video, but I'm glad I got them now. So mom's birthday should have 12, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Mom's feeding. Oh no, this is their Mother and Father's Day. I was like, oh, that's not good. Okay, Mother's and Father's Day. I just spent some money from there, so we're just gonna add 3 in and not get like caught up in how many that has. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. And I'm gonna switch out, I think a 5 for 5 ones. So there we go. So now we're at 13. And as you know, Father's Day is coming up. So I'll probably add a little bit extra to that out of my money so that I can have a little bit more to give to my dad for his. Now we're getting to, okay, Dad's fee day, which should have 12. The parents are basically on the same little path. So 1, 2, 3. And I'll go ahead and just leave this with the ones. So now he's at 15. My mom will be at 15. Their birthdays, like I said, they're right next to each other. They are literally 4 days apart. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 for mom. And then we have my sister's birthday. She's getting 3 as well, and she is at 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. She gets 3. And then that leaves us with, and I'm going to trade hers out, so hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to leave those there. Pull out a 5 for hers. So 25, 26, 27, 28 for her. So she's almost done. Yay, she'll be done next month for her birthday. And then we can start saving for the next birthday for her. Okay, then we have 4th of July. Oh, I should add these on there. I'm not writing. It's hard for me to remember sometimes to write. 28. I gotta get myself a smaller one too. So this is Juneteenth, 4th of July. They get 2, basically $2 each. So 1, 2. And 4th of July will be coming up soon. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have something else where I need to put money in, so I'm like trying to remind myself, like switch some of these out. So 26 total for Juneteenth / 4th of July. 26. Thanksgiving gets 15. So pull out a, and I might go ahead and move these to the side. There we go. Move my 5s to the side. 10s and then 20s. So they've been money everywhere. So 5, 10, so 15 for Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving's goal is 160. And so we have 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 15, 20, 25, 30, 130. Add another 15. I can trade these out for some 20s. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 80, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 145. Oh, I was looking at it, I was like, that's not right. It's right. All right, 145. Then we have 20 for Christmas. Let me write that in, 145. Oopsie, sorry y'all. Yeah, I definitely have to get a smaller one for this. We have 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 100, 20, 30, 140, 50, 155. We add another 20. So that gives us 175. Put that up for Christmas. I love planning ahead for Christmas. Literally nothing makes me happier. And then New Year's gets $1. And I just saved 10, so I'm pretty far ahead on this. And we're up to $6. I always figure if I want to do something big or do something else, I'll just supplement it. So we're already up to 7 minutes. I really don't like having these be super long, but I think I can make this one video. So let's see if we can make this happen. Okay, so we can put all of these away in my lovely little accordion. So put those away, put the parents and B-days away. These away. It's just that I have so many ones on the back side. Okay, and then put these away. And then I brushed up against the now I think all of these ended up saying, you know what though? Am I adding? I think so. Yeah, I think we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna switch out. I'm gonna do another video and then we'll come back because some of these things are changing and I've added a lot. So I'll be back. I'll see y'all in a little bit and we'll have our second cash stuffing. Thanks for watching. Bye.